Hey YouTube, welcome back to Bad to the Stone. Should be a pretty quick video today, just a simple little upgrade mod on Pebbles. They make a door hinge cover, so I've been running with the doors off lately, and Ford has a part. It's just kind of a plastic cover that's gonna go in here and cover up these hinges, keep some water, keep things out of this switch, and I think give it a little bit better look. Originally I was gonna make some aluminum kind of tube ones, but once I got the door off and held the pipe up there, I really didn't like the way that looked. Found these online. So these come from Ford. You can see the part number on there. I ordered these from Leviton Ford Parts out of New York. They had the best price on them. Anyway, it took a couple weeks. They came in. So you open the box, you get a QR code linked to some instructions. I gotta admit, they were a little bit confusing to look at. It kept saying not for a two-door, even though these are clearly for a two-door. So inside you get a little bag of hardware. It looks pretty straightforward. Should just need a 13mm wrench and I think about 5 minutes to put these on. Here's what they look like. It is just plastic. Not sure it was worth the money I paid for them. But they're definitely something different than what I was gonna make. So let's take a look and see what this looks like on there. Does have a nice little Bronco logo up on the top. So it appears, yeah, it's just gonna drop in there. All right, pretty much just drops in there, something like that. So I do think that gives it a nice cleaner look when the doors are off. Gets rid of some of that open space. Okay, let's check it out. All right, it appears we've got this plastic block. Okay, well, that is supposed to fit on from the top. I guess it really doesn't turn very much, but anyway, it's a carriage bolt which drops into that piece of plastic. So that's going to keep that from spinning. Would have thought it might have dropped on there a little bit further, like onto that square, but nope, that is definitely sitting on there as far as it's going to go. But that is going to keep it from turning. It's not a whole lot. I think that might be easy to strip. We'll see how that goes. And then this bolt, yes, this one's going to go down in the bottom. So let's see how hard this is to line up in that hole when you can't really get your hand in the back there. Gravity itself in there when you get it lined up. Almost. There we go. Heard that come down. Okay, so seems like it just keeps it spinning and spinning, because it does. Okay. I really don't want to over tighten this. I think I'm just going to make that inside piece spin. Okay, there we go. That's getting a little more snug. Okay. Doesn't really feel like you get that bottom one super tight, but that was it. Very quick, couple-minute install on there. Get a nice little logo. Get a little nicer finished look there on that door. All right, let's go get that other one knocked out on the other side. We'll be wrapped up. All right, so just gonna take a little better look at this one here before I put that in. And yeah, this piece does just spin. So again, you're not able to get that super tight because it does just want to spin on there. So may need to go add, well, I guess I don't want to put Loctite on it and never get it back off again. Just something to be aware of. May just have to keep an eye on it, make sure that that bolt doesn't rattle loose out of there. I guess if it's mounted on rubber and wants to spin, it should be all right. So again, we put our piece on top, carriage bolt in there. See when you're lifting that bolt up. There we go, get that one on the bottom, and just kind of pop it around until that bolt pulls down out of the top there. Got it in a little easier on this side. Gently tighten that up. Okay. Feel that getting snug. Tighten this one up as much as you can with that piece of rubber there. And again, just wouldn't over tighten these ones. I think that part would be a little easy to strip. Yeah, I think I just felt it go around one time there. All right, that's probably good. Okay, I think the trick is going to be that since you really aren't getting these bolts tight, not getting a good grip on them, leave them on there all summer, there is a chance that those kind of lock up in place, get a little bit of water on that one, and you may never get these off again. Just thinking of some feedback, thinking ahead. Either they're going to vibrate loose because you can't get them super tight, or they may get some water in there and rust in place and you can't get them off again without having to cut the plastic to get to it. So anyway, we'll see how these turn out in the long run, but I do like the look of them. I think it finishes it off pretty nice. Just not sure how well this hardware fastening system is really going to hold up in there to take care of it. But they look good. Simple 5-minute install. Again, you can check these out. It is a Ford part. So Ford part number on there. I saw it on multiple different places you could purchase these from. So if you're looking to run with your doors off and want to get some hinge covers, that's what they look like. All right, hey, if you're new to the channel, you can get out there, check out some of the other videos on Pebbles, some of the other mods we've got on here, and I've got a bunch more videos coming. We've got a bunch of things we've done that just haven't had time to edit all the videos and get them posted. So appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, hit a like on there. And that's a wrap for this video. Hey, we'll see you next time when we're doing some more mods on Pebbles. Till then, y'all keep it bad to the stone. Y'all take care.